All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We have a quick one here with Livingston. It's called Brainstorm, all right? So we're gonna look into this one with the capo set on 3rd fret. We have 4 different chords. I'm gonna show you 2 variations of strumming pattern to handle this beautiful song. So let's go into it. And the chords, we're gonna start with E minor, and it goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. That will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D coming up, and D goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord is A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so let's go into the strumming because we know the chords now and they will come in the same order as we learned them. All right, so E minor, C, D, and A minor. So we're gonna start with a more colorful strumming pattern, I believe. We have more rhythm going on there and you can feel the music a little bit more. So we're gonna start with that, and one round with E minor sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, down, up, clap, down. A short pause there, and then comes just down, clap. And that's it. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. All right, so you're gonna play one of these per chord, and that will sound like this. So on. All right, so that is what I would aim for if I just had to choose one strumming pattern. But this next one I'm going to teach you is more of a straightforward strumming, and you're going to play 2 of them per chord. One round goes like this. So it's just down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. 2 of them per chord goes. Also switch it up. Anyway, that's how I handle Livingston Brainstorm. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and until next time, play tuned.